Motorsports Igntioneering in the mag room department. The first thing that happens when a magneto comes in, either UPS, FedEx, or United Postal Service, it comes into this area is our receiving area. The mag will come in, get unboxed, the paperwork will be gone through, written up, and then it goes into the staging area. And these are different mags for different applications: sprint car, drag race, sprint car, box test. So these come in from all over the country and all over the world actually. And then what we'll do is we'll get everything all in order, and then from here they'll be staged and go into the mag room. And the first thing we do is we put the customer's unit on the test bench, and we'll load dyno test it to get a baseline to know where we are and the numbers that we have to beat to make it a better product. It also shows up if we have any items or any problems that the customer may not know about, looking for shorts and things like that, so we can address them before it goes into teardown and goes into blueprinting. Once it comes off the dyno, we've tested the ignition system, we've tested the mag to find out what the weaknesses were and what the problems are. It comes into teardown. Now this is in a small machine shop that we have adjacent to the mag room that has several features that not many other people utilize as we do. The first thing we'll do is tear it all apart, inspect all the parts for wear, and make the notes that we need to make the job perfect. Once the mag comes out of the teardown department, it comes over and it goes in our Crest ultrasonic commercial cleaner. It has a special chemical that's heated to 125 degrees, and all the parts will be in this cycle for about 25 to 30 minutes. One of the processes that we do that is a proprietary thing for BR Motorsports Igntioneering is some special machine work that we do on the induction coil. Because it's kind of a top secret, a trade secret of ours, I'd like to show it to you. Jordan right now is doing the process, but because of intellectual property, and we don't want to really have everybody know how we do that. But it is very, very important in making the output of the magneto as high as it can possibly be. If there's any internal corrosion on the magneto parts, we put it in our ABS Products Bead Blast. We use a special media that's not aggressive, but it does clean the rust and the corrosions off. After it's cleaned very well in here and the thing is ultimately perfectly clean, then we'll go over in the other department and we'll seal coat it to prevent any further corrosion. What you're seeing here is one of our technicians is repairing an 8106 MSD points box. This is something we're authorized to do by MSD. We're the only ones that are authorized to do that. Okay, we're back in the mag room now, and we're testing our work basically after we rebuilt and turned that red mag that we showed you earlier into a black magic. The output is really, really good. What you're seeing here is the phasing on the magnets, also in the magnetic pickup in the bottom. They're all in sequence. That's got a very good curve on it. We're able to do this because we have a special box called a multi-mag box that was supplied to us by MSD. We are the only shop in the United States other than MSD to have one of these. Therefore, we're the only people that can do your mag properly other than MSD itself. Okay, one last test. The customer sent his mag in to get blueprinted. He also sent his 8106 mag box, his point box in to get converted to a black magic. As you can see here, we're testing it. You can see the output right there between the two gaps. If you put your finger in that, it'd probably kill you, as you can see by that high voltage sticker next to it. But this is another feature that we have, and that way we make sure that we got the maximum output on your coil and your points box and your generator assembly. This one's a little over 40,000 kV. Well, as you can see, we've showed you a few of the things we do here. We can't show you everything because, like I said before, it is very highly proprietary. But it's been a pretty good day at BR Motorsports Igntioneering. We've got a bunch of mags done and a lot of happy customers. So if there's anything we can ever do for you, have any questions, or you just want to send your mags in to make them better, send them to BR Motorsports Igntioneering.